What if there were an alternative to traditional feminine hygiene products that no one has ever told you about? An alternative that is practical, sanitary, inexpensive, eco-friendly and safe for your health? Lybera is the menstrual cup 100% made in Italy that has already revolutionized the way that thousands of women go about their daily lives during their menstrual cycles. The menstrual cup is an alternative to traditional sanitary pads or tampons, collecting rather than absorbing the menstrual flow. Lybera is made entirely from hypoallergenic certified medical grade silicone and is suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive. The Lybera cup is available in 2 different sizes. Selection of the proper size is based on each woman's age and whether or not she has given birth vaginally. Now let's take a look at how it works. The Lybera cup must be sterilized before its first use. Simply fill a small pot with water and bring it to a boil. Place the Lybera cup in the water and let it boil for approximately 5 minutes. Once the cup is sterilized, wash your hands thoroughly before inserting it. Find a comfortable position. During the first step, it is important to relax, so as to avoid tensing your pelvic muscles. Lybera can be folded in different ways in order to insert it. We recommend the most common way, the so-called push-down or tulip folding. Once it is folded, grip the folded sides of the cup firmly between your fingertips as far down as possible and gently insert it in your vagina. Continue until both the cup and the stem are in your vagina. The stem must be completely inside and should not protrude. For some women, the stem may be too long. If that is the case, remove Lybera, trim the excess from the stem and reinsert the cup. Once it has been inserted in the vagina, Lybera will immediately return to its original position. To check whether it has opened properly, run your index finger around the circumference of the cup. This will allow air to enter, and the folded sides of the cup will automatically open into the proper position. Unlike tampons, which lie against the vaginal floor, the cup must be placed lower down. You must therefore be careful to let it position itself naturally and not to push it too far up. Lybera is just 45 mm in length, not including the stem. It is not too long and it is suitable for all women. It is not only the material it is made from that makes it sanitary, but also the position in which it is worn. The menstrual flow naturally follows the vaginal walls unobstructed and accumulates in the cup. It thus does not remain in contact with the vaginal walls, lessening the potential for proliferation of germs and bacteria. Since it does not absorb vaginal secretions, dryness is reduced and natural internal pH remains unaltered. Moreover, thanks to its perfect adherence to the vaginal walls, Lybera limits the unpleasant odors associated with menstrual flow. Lybera is comfortable and convenient. Not only is it imperceptible once inserted, but it also gives you hours of worry-free protection, something traditional feminine hygiene products cannot do. The Lybera cup can provide a woman with a medium normal flow with 8 to 12 hours of leak-free protection, while a woman with a heavy flow is protected for 4 to 6 hours. In between uses, simply rinse Lybera under running water or wash it with pH-neutral soap, taking care to rinse it thoroughly in order to avoid irritation. The interior of the vagina is not and should not be sterile, so there is absolutely no need to sterilize the cup in between uses. To remove the cup, first wash your hands and choose a comfortable position, as you did when inserting it. Then, simply pinch the base of the cup between 2 fingertips, so as to widen the tiny holes beneath the rim and release the seal. Once you have finished using your cup, wash it thoroughly or sterilize it. Once it is clean, store the cup in its breathable cotton bag so as to avoid contamination. Silicone is a material that does not wear out easily, so you will be able to use your cup for years. This will greatly reduce the use of sanitary pads and tampons, with a consequent decrease in associated environmental pollution. What are you waiting for? Liberate yourself with Lybera.